Hello, hello, my lovely people. Hope everyone is having a fantastic Sunday. Y'all, I just got back. I rode off with my brother to South Carolina, and now I'm back straightening up my house. I'm making room for my new washer and dryer to arrive. Yay! I am so happy. I am feeling my hand soap dishes. I have bought this Dow hand soap at a discount store, you know it, for like 25 cents, and I bought a whole bunch of jars. It smells pretty good. I don't know if y'all have tried that fragrance before, but I'm just filling this one out because this one has been neglected, believe it or not. We haven't put I haven't refilled this soap dispenser in a minute. It's in the hallway bathroom, so I'm trying to get rid of all the hand soap that's in my home and go with liquid soap. So like I said, whenever you get in that cleaning mode, you just be trying to clean, reorganize. I threw away a lot of stuff and everything like that. So I'm just trying to utilize my items that I currently have in my home, and I'm just filling up this soap dish. I want a new soap dish, but like I said, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I guess that's how it go. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. If it's broke, fix it. So anyhow, I use the rest of this little residue that's in these jars to clean my toilets. Clean up all this stuff. Taking this stuff out of here and making room for my new washer and dryer to get here. Organize this area a little better. So I'm just gonna put some soap in, put some water in here, hot water, because this is soap, and pour it down in here. Just try to utilize all my, cleaning supplies, you know what I'm saying? And just of course use my brush, you know what I'm saying, to clean the toilet and stuff. I mean, I know plenty of people know this by now, but I'm just saying this is what you could use if you have just a little bit left over in your soap stuff. And yes, I like to use this to clean, just to make it smell, a little fresh. Ain't nothing like bleach. Y'all like bleach? Ain't nothing like bleach. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Just doing a little bit of housework, y'all, while I'm home alone. Woo! All the children are away at play, and mommy is at home making our house more a home. So thanks for watching, my lovely people.